how to get yellow heart on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Here, you can take snaps and videos and share them with your friends. On the screen, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go over to the top right and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down to the additional services section. Tap on friend emojis. Friend emojis are a fun way to learn a little more about your friends on Snapchat. As you can see, these are different types of friend emojis that you can get on Snapchat. Scroll down to explore all of them. Go to the besties option if you want to know more about the yellow heart. The yellow heart appears next to your number one best friend when you're also their number one best friend on Snapchat. Tap on it. Here, you can change the friend emoji for the besties option if you want. To make someone your number one best friend, make sure you both exchange snaps often. The yellow heart will appear beside their names. Following these steps, you can easily get yellow heart on Snapchat.